Yo, what's up guys? It's your boy Ben. We back with another video. We're gonna do another recipe video because you guys like the other one. And we are gonna make protein pancakes. But guess what? We're doing it on the fly. I've never made protein pancakes ever. So I'm just gonna try to make a recipe and we'll see how it turns out. It's gonna be a fun experience. So let's get into the protein pancakes. I got no idea what I'm doing, but we're gonna make some vanilla blueberry pancakes. So we're making it up as we go. So we'll go 1.5 scoops of protein powder. 36, 18 plus 36. Fuck it, that's good. So you got 1.5 scoops of protein powder, some salt, 2 sweeteners. Fuck it. We don't have any baking powder, so I'm just gonna put in some PB2. Do a serving of PB2, so like 12, 13 grams or so. I think it's good for the dry ingredients, I'd say. So looks like we're doing some peanut butter vibe. Mix up your dry ingredients. We're gonna put a little cinnamon too. And then Greek yogurt. This is probably gonna be a disaster. We got that. And I don't think it's gonna mix very well, so I'm pretty sure we gotta use some egg whites. If I go too much, it's gonna be over. And then we gonna mix it up. This smells really good. Is that good? I don't really know. Alright, I'm gonna go with that. I don't know about you, but that looks like some pancake batter. That thing is thick. That's the batter. Looking solid. Like 140 grams. Got our bloobs. Alright, so you guys know the drill. 1 second spray. Looks pretty sick, dude. It's already burning. This actually looks insane. But it looks cooked. I think it's done. One down. It looks pretty good. Number 2. It's like a rock, bro. That just went flying. I mean, that looks pretty good. But it like low-key don't. Yes, that's our freaking pancakes, bro. Yo, what's up? The pancakes are done. These look ridiculous. But I don't know how they're gonna taste. Because they're pretty dry, I can tell, and they're pretty hard. So we'll give them a taste test for you guys. A little on-the-go recipe. It might be fire though. Let's see. It's very dry. It's actually kind of cold. I'm gonna throw it in the microwave real quick. And we're back. See if that made it any better. It's a lot better. Hey yo, but honestly, should you make this? Absolutely not. Just make French toast. I'm telling you. French toast is superior. But I'm still eating it, like it's good, like it tastes good. I'm gonna finish this up. I'm gonna get back to you guys in the outro. Alright, just down that. Well, that really wasn't the best. The flavor was there. The texture was not. It was very dry. But this is all part of my experimenting with new recipes and what I want to put in my new cookbook that is coming out probably before the summer. I want to get you guys the cookbook before the summer so that you can use it to diet down for the summer to get absolutely shredded like I am. This will definitely not be in the cookbook as it is not very good. But I just thought I would show you guys what I'm doing. Hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, be sure to leave a like. Subscribe to the channel. If you are new, comment for the algorithm. Hit the bell. All that. Ding ding. And if you guys need quality gym clothes, best quality in the industry right now, Fitletics. I got a code for you guys. It's in the link in my description. Just hit the link, take you to Fitletics, and you are going to get the highest quality gym clothes in the game. Can guarantee it. If you guys are looking for a coach or a training program, my website is linked in the description below as well. Check that out. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.